Meaning of heinousness.
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 Heinousness. Heinousness refers to the quality of being extremely wicked or evil, particularly when it involves committing atrocious or abominable acts that are calculated to cause immense harm or suffering. The term can refer to a wide range of criminal behaviors, such as murder, torture, rape, terrorism, and genocide. Such heinous acts are often seen as violating fundamental human values and principles, and are considered among the most serious crimes in any society. The consequences of heinousness can be devastating, causing long-lasting trauma, physical and emotional harm, and inciting fear and instability within communities.